In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform stress analysis in Fusion 360. We'll keep this clear and practical so you can follow along and get reliable results from your own designs. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360. If you're working on an assembly, make sure all components are in the correct position and fully constrained as intended for real-life use. It's a good idea to save a version before you begin, since simulation settings live with your design file and you'll likely want to iterate. Next, switch to the simulation workspace. You can do this from the workspace selector at the top left. The simulation environment gives you access to tools tailored to structural analysis, so everything you need is in one place. Choose static stress as the study type. Static stress is ideal when loads are steady or change slowly enough that inertia can be ignored. If your scenario is about what happens under a constant load, this is the right choice. You'll see a study tree appear that guides the required setup. Assign materials to all components. Accurate materials are essential because stiffness, strength, and mass come directly from them. Open the material assignment panel and apply the correct material to every part in the model, not just the main body. Double check units and properties. Steel, aluminum, and plastics behave very differently. If you leave a component as an unspecified default, your results can be misleading. Apply constraints to represent how the model is held or supported in the real world. Fixed constraints lock everything on the selected faces so they cannot move or rotate. Pinned or other support types can restrict translation while allowing some rotation, which is useful for holes, shafts, or bearings. Constrain enough to prevent rigid body motion, but avoid over-constraining. The goal is to mimic how the part is actually restrained, not to artificially stiffen it. Apply loads such as forces, pressures, or gravity. Forces and pressures should be applied to the faces where they truly act with the correct direction and magnitude. Watch the direction arrow and flip it if needed. For gravity, confirm the direction aligns with your model orientation, keep units consistent, and sanity check magnitudes against what the part would really see. When your setup is complete, click Solve to run the analysis. Fusion 360 will automatically generate the mesh and process the study, either locally or in the cloud, depending on your settings. If any warnings appear, review your materials, constraints, and loads. When the solve finishes, you'll have stress and deformation results ready to review, giving you confidence in how your design will perform under load.